All right, so up here, got a mark right there, and that's where the dent is. And then down here, this just took paint off. I'm not sure if this side shows it any better. All right, this is a little bit better view. So that mark up there, and that's where the dent is. It's kind of hard to, you can see the ripple on the paint. Down there didn't even dent it, but it just took paint off of it. Like, not even just paint off of it, it took it fucking clear coat off of it. Like down to the metal. Nope. Still in the door. My polisher sucks. It's like a kid's polisher. Like, it doesn't remove anything. And DIY Details polish stuff, dude, it's not great. It really isn't. Is that the only dent on the door? It didn't dent it lower? We'll figure that out. Okay.
That's not good. Whose idea was this, man?
Like the double door brace?
Yeah.
I don't know. This is like their track.
Track car?
It is like their track car, so I don't know. So there's a brace on the left side of the dent and a brace on the right side of it?
There's a brace over it.
Oh, over it.
There's one big one here, and then one that goes straighter.
Oh, okay.
And glued. Never seen anything like that. That's pretty far away. Pretty hard to get a dent like that out without having perfect control.
Yeah. Well, every challenge I've ever thrown at you, you've always conquered it.
Yeah. This is scaring me.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't, if you're scared, I don't like that.
I know. Right here.
Like right there is the brace, or?
Yeah, that's the top of it.
So you're just trying to like bend that to like go around it?
Trying to go under it.
Go under it?
Trying to-
Okay. And I see it moving it.
Mm-hmm.
Is that good?
It's good.
Okay.
Over there. Let's see if I can
But now it's just how much
keep control of it.
wiggle you can.
Yeah. So far, so good.
It looks like already some of it's come out.
Mm-hmm. I've got to the end of it. Okay.
I'm just glad it didn't like, you know, like when you get like those super deep points, you know, where it's
Super, yes.
I mean, this had like a line going across it, but it didn't have like the
Sharp one.
the super sharp one where it
Yeah.
takes some paint and goes in quite a bit.
Or
Cause
even if it's just super sharp, because even then, it won't come out 100%.
yeah, I really wish I could. I need to buy some tools. Last time you let me do it on a couple. Well, a few times ago in my last house, you let me do it on a couple cars, but it's an art.
It is. It's fun.
Are you staying really busy still?
Yeah.
Good. Let me know if you need me to wipe off the door or anything. Or
It's pretty clean.
okay.
Yeah. So that actually helped that. Kind of blend it out a little bit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the shape of the light's looking pretty good. Just a little bit.
All right, guys. So we weren't able to get the dent out. See if I can get you guys in a light to be able to see it. It might not show up on here, but basically the door has two braces that's held in by glue, and he's like, I haven't seen that before in a car. And the dent was right between the two braces, and so he had to like force his tool down through the glue and didn't really have control over his tool. And I feel like it took the main dent out, but it kind of added a couple other dents. Maybe in this light you guys can kind of see it, but it created kind of some high and low spots. Yeah, I just don't think you guys are gonna see this as good. So here on the door, like watch. Right there, like, see as I go the cord over that, see how the cord kind of wrinkles. I mean, the main dent's out, but now there's like kind of like this little vertical right where the cord's going over right there. See how that's flat, 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 flat. Boop, boop, boop. So, I mean, it looks better, and most of you wouldn't notice this, but this is why I get really upset and frustrated, especially when people are like, oh, it's fine, it's gonna be fixed, it's gonna be fixed. Like, it just kind of created a, like right here, like watch where this box is. See, right? Kind of created like this vertical line right there. So, I mean, it looks a lot better. I don't know, I also might get a second opinion to have someone look at this because it looks better. And I feel like I had to push him to do more than what he wanted to. And I understand sometimes you can make stuff worse. It's the same in like in detailing. And, you know, I'm gonna get some touch-up paint for the door down there. You know, I've usually, when I've had him do dents, I get every single thing out. But like now what I'm seeing is like a, you know, vertical line from where this brace is in the paint as we go down it. But I mean, overall it does look much better, but you know, I don't really like how it looks. Like it's still not there, but the problem is you keep screwing with it and can make it worse. So I'll let you guys know if I do anything else to it. I am gonna touch up the paint. I'm gonna touch up the paint, and that's about it. But I hate to be crying over a dent, but dude, when you guys are paying $800 a month for a car, you know, which honestly, you know, or you're paying $50,000 for a car. If you guys don't give a shit about your cars, then don't frickin' buy them. Like, this stuff should upset you. It should, you know, like, and I get it. Like, you know, I paid paint protection film to be on the front. Like, I know the joke is on my channel, I don't keep cars long, which is true. I don't. I like to experience them all. But like, I did this car this way because I've had plans to keep it for a long time. And I don't want to sell it, get rid of it just because of one dent. You're going to drive down the road and stuff happens. It's one thing if I do it to my car versus somebody else. And this is why when all of you are like, oh, it'll be fine, it'll buff out. Like, it truly doesn't. It truly doesn't. And, you know, now I'm left with some wrinkles that weren't there. Or you just have a really sharp, deep gouge. But a lot of you will just say, no big deal. And sure, it's probably not. But I care about my car, guys. I try to take care of them. I mean, this is my S2000. Like, and this is why, honestly, I'm probably almost done buying brand new cars. Like, I'm never not going to be a car guy. I'm always going to have them. But like, I'll be honest, like something happens to my S2000. Yeah, it would upset me, an extra rock chip, but not like that bad because the car's 24 years old, 25 years old, you know, and it's not perfect. You know, there's some blemishes in the paint, some rock chips, some different stuff. But like on a brand new car, it's like I'm trying to keep it that way. And the only way to properly fix this is, you know, potentially have the door repainted, which then it won't match the rest of the car. And it just doesn't look right. And I don't want Bondo on it, don't want insurance claims, don't want certain things. But yeah, I am going to probably do Dr. Color Chip down here. I was really hopeful I could get the dent all the way out, and then, you know, and then all I really needed to do was just touch up the paint and be able to live with, you know, where it's down to bare metal right there. So I'll touch that up. I'll probably include that in this video, but that's the update on my Type R.